you holding?
I don't know. It says something to sign, you know? What the fuck it says?
Yes, it's a car wash?
No, volley. I think it says volleyball, I'm not sure.
Volleyball fund.
Volleyball fund, that's what it says. What the fuck?
She's trying to raise money for volleyball?
Oh shit, let's help her out.
I got money.
I don't know how the fuck you saw that girl from across the fucking.
Yo, look at her fucking outfit.
I'll park like right next to her and be like, hey, here's $1.50 for your fun. Volleyball fun. Man, she pointed it right at us too. Yeah. She's so excited to see us. Hi, you seem so excited to see us.
Hi guys. I'm trying to raise money for my volleyball team.
Yeah, we can raise.
You guys want to donate?
Sure. You got some dollars? So, what do you guys need the money for?
All kinds of stuff. We need new nets, and we're traveling
$1.
Thank you.
Oh, you got a volleyball in there.
Yeah.
That's $1. How much money have you raised so far?
It's been rough. I haven't raised really anything.
Well, you just
kind
raised
of
the dollar.
raining and.
You just raised the dollar.
Yeah, I know. It helps. It helps.
Where's the rest of your team?
They're like, spread out. Like.
Oh, they're scattered around the city.
Yeah. We're trying to raise 1,000 each, so.
1,000 each? Wow, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I mean, okay. What's that for? For uniforms and shit or what?
Yeah, we're traveling out of country for championships.
Wow. Yeah. So you guys are good then, right?
Yeah. What's with the camera? Do you always take things?
Yeah. Actually, we do. Yeah, it's always good to have a camera nowadays. With everything that's been going on in the world.
Yeah.
For safety.
True.
So I just keep it rolling at all times. You never know what could happen.
It's very true.
You know what? Here, I got another $1.
Oh.
I feel bad. I know it doesn't get you to 1,000,
better
but
than nothing,
I guess you got $2, so you're $998.
98, yeah.
How long you been out here?
All day. It's been raining for like half the time I was here, so
Yeah.
I haven't gotten much, but I've gotten lots of honks.
Lots of honks?
That's good.
Yeah, you
right?
would get lots of honks in that outfit.
Yeah, we would have honked too, just our honk didn't work.
You know what? This is kind of crazy. Should we? I mean, I'm feeling generous.
Why not?
Listen, I'm feeling very generous.
Why not?
We do have some extra cash.
She looks excited.
You guys want to donate that? You guys don't have
we do
to.
wanna
I
donate
mean,
it.
it would
Well, no.
help.
Hold on. I didn't say I would
Give it to you.
just give it to you.
But we will give it to you.
But
Confused.
no, I mean, I'd be willing to donate some of it if you're willing to give us an interview. I'd love to kind of like maybe videotape you and tell it,
Like
kind of
right here, or like?
Well, like I could videotape you, and then we could start I could start like a fund online for you,
Yeah.
to raise money, I just want to get to know your story, though. I want to see where you,
Yeah, I don't know. My coach is gonna be here to pick me up in like an hour or so.
No, we're not gonna go anywhere. I just need to do the interview, and I'd be willing to give you. I mean, hell, I'll give you $100 if you want to do the interview.
I can just pull over on the side here and wait.
Yeah, I just need to do it in the van, though. That's the thing.
There's too much noise out there.
Oh, in the van?
Yeah, because the noise. See how the noise is a lot of noise, so in the van it's a lot quieter.
Yeah.
I mean, it'd be good. The online fund would be great, man. People raise a lot of money on those, and I'm sure you guys are asking for a lot. So I mean, I could raise it.
Wait, you
I just
put
need
it
to.
online?
Yeah, we'll put it online.
One
of those GoFund sites. So then that way, but I just need to find out a little more information about you, so I know what to say in the thing. It might get you out of the rain, and it only take 10 minutes, and it's just gonna help the team. Aren't you a team player?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so then it's all about the team. Look, I'll give you. I know maybe you're feeling a little. Look, I'll give you. I was gonna give you 120, but you know what? I'll raise it to 150. $150 just to come in for an interview. That's a good start. It's gonna help you guys out.
Oh gosh, that is a lot of money.
You know, and I'm gonna raise the fund, and I'll open up the fund for you. Yo, that's gonna probably, you know, cute girl like you.
I still don't know. I don't think.
175. Come on. Look, I'll even give you the money.
Like, this is an
You're not a
option.
team player. You're not being a good team player. Look.
I am.
Look, I'll put $100
You
bucks.
might be the only ones that ain't to raise
Look.
a couple $100.
Look, let me put this in there. Bring it over here. There, look.
Wow.
$100. So you know I'm serious.
You might be the only one raising money today, okay?
Yeah. People don't got money like this
You're
around
making
here.
this hard for me.
No, we're making it easy for you.
I don't know.
Come on, look, open the door. Let her know. Look, there's no one in here. It's really for filming purposes. It's nice and quiet and shit. If you want, take a look inside. It's not a big deal.
This is our pet, I don't
Take
know
a look inside.
what it is, but this is our,
Take a look.
Gosh.
A pit ape?
yeah, you're our pet.
I don't know.